need to open your stocking.
Oh. Yeah, that's for Mama. Can you show me your duck? What is that? Is it for the bathtub?
Can I show you how it works? Yes, it's for the bathtub. Watch. This is for bath time. Watch. It makes them swim. See the little ducky?
Mommy?
Oh, wow. What else is in your stocking?
Go get your stocking.
Hey!
What else is in there?
What is that? Can you come show me? What is that? It's a... Oh, what is that, Boo? It's a squirrel. Boo Boo, look. What is that? Is that Eichhörnchen? Eichhörnchen.
Eichhörnchen.
Uh-oh.